Hi, I'm Solomon from eSpares, the appliance repair channel that helps you fix your home appliances yourself. Today we're going to look into the Siemens Dishwasher error E06 or E6. If you see this code pop up on your appliance, the first thing you want to check is whether the door is fully and properly closed. The Siemens Dishwasher E06 or E6 error code indicates that the machine thinks the door isn't secure, which could be due to an obstruction or faulty sensor. Now, if you have double checked your appliance and the door seems to have properly locked with nothing in the way, the likely source of this error is due to a fault in the door lock. The catch could be broken, or there might be a fault with the electronics, such as the sensor. Regardless, your solution to this problem is to replace your dishwasher door lock assembly. For this Siemens dishwasher repair, you'll need a Torx T15 and a flat blade screwdriver. Naturally, you will also need your replacement door lock assembly, and we'll provide a link to where you can buy this in the description below. Always remember, safety first. Switch off your appliance from the mains and unplug it before carrying out any work. The first thing we need to do is remove the top panel of the Siemens dishwasher, which is held in place by two clips located left and right. Using your flat blade screwdriver, you want to insert it into the hole here and then twist, and it should just click out like so. Again, just insert in, twist and push. So then slide the top panel towards yourself, remove and place to one side. You will see the insulation lagging, simply move it to one side. The door lock assembly can be found directly in front of you, at the very front of the machine. There is one Torx T15 screw on the left hand side. Remove it with your screwdriver. Switch to your flat blade screwdriver. With it, push the tab on the left hand side to the left, like so. It is quite tight, so you'll need to apply a bit of force. Just be careful not to break it. At the same time, lift the door lock assembly up and out of the appliance. At this point, you will see the PCB connection wire leading into the right side of the door lock assembly. There is a tab holding it in place, so just push it back and take the connection block out. So unwind the cable like so, and using your nail, just push back on here, and that should just come out like so. You'll now need to purchase a new door lock for your Siemens dishwasher. To do this, you'll need to find out the model number of your dishwasher so that you order the correct part. If you don't know the number or where to find it, click on this video here for more information. Next, plug the PCB connection back into the door lock assembly, like so. Draw the wire loom through the clips like so. If the loom was wrapped around one of the clips, make sure you secure it in the same way. Slide the door lock underneath the two tabs on the cabinet on the right hand side, and then push it down on the left hand side, and you should hear a click. Refit the door lock screw with the Torx T15 screwdriver. The lock should be fully secure. And then replace the lagging into place like so. Your final step is to refit the top panel. It can only fit in one way, so don't worry about messing it up. Note there are 4 locking pegs at the back that go into the cutouts at the back of the machine. As you do this, align the tabs with the cutouts at the back and then slightly push it forward and then gently press down. You will hear a click as the top panel secures into place. We're hoping that our video helped you resolve your Siemens dishwasher error code E06 or E6. If you're seeing other error codes on your appliance, don't worry. We have an entire playlist dedicated to explaining what they are and how to fix them. And if you want to learn how to fix other home appliances yourself and give them the proper care, be sure to subscribe to the eSpares channel. Thanks for watching.